Welcome. I believe if you are here watching this video, that means you have gone through all the necessary steps and then you are ready to run your first ad. So I just press on create. So it's loading creation itself. So So now I'm going to explain what these are. So that's what we call campaign objective. Why are you running your ad? The first one is awareness. Let's assume show your ads to people who are most likely to remember them. You want video views. You want people to watch your video. You want people to be aware of your store location, your brand, what you are selling. Maybe you are selling something. You just want people to be aware of it. Not necessarily that people will click on the link and come to your WhatsApp DM. They will just be aware that okay, this guy is doing affiliate marketing. Okay, no problem. That's it. Or this guy is selling data. No problem. That's it. This guy is selling shoe. No problem. This guy, no problem. That is it. No, this guy is just doing comedy. No problem. That is it. They will just be aware of it. They might not decide to click on the link, but later they might decide to click on the link if they are aware of the stuff that this guy is doing this thing, but they won't come immediately. So that's just awareness. Let's go to the next one, which is traffic. Traffic is when you send people to a destination like a website. Maybe you are sending people to your website, your app, your Instagram profile, or Facebook event. So traffic is just when you send to somewhere, maybe WhatsApp, Instagram, Messenger, or anywhere. But when you are doing traffic, the thing is that when you are doing traffic, you have to have like a website. Although they have Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp option there, but traffic doesn't necessarily means that whoever click on your link will come to your DM. That's it. So people will click on your link and they won't come to your DM. You may see like 100 people clicking on your link and you see only 5 people in your DM. So traffic is just when you want to send people to a destination, not necessarily that they will perform the main action. So engagement. Again, if you have a website, you can use traffic. If you have a website like a landing page, so engagement is when you have like what can I say? You want people to like, comment, and watch a video. So you want people to like and comment and watch a video. You want them to share your video, or you want them to do something maybe on your page. That's just what you use the engagement for. You want more like, you want more followers on your page. So that's just engagement. So the next one is lead. Lead is when you want to get people to your WhatsApp DM. So if you want to generate customer who will buy something, potential customer, you understand. So the lead is good for instant form, messenger, and Instagram conversion equals. But we'll be using lead because lead is what we are based on. We want lead our potential customer, people that will buy. So when you send people to your DM, they are most likely to buy. So that's called lead. App promotion is what you want to promote your app. If you have an app you want to promote, it's simple as that. Just want people to know about an app, you want them to install it and use it. That's just app promotion. Sales is when you want to buy, you want to sell something. Sales is the same thing as lead, but the difference is that sales is like you want to sell something to them. You understand? And you bring potential customer to your WhatsApp DM. But this is why I won't recommend sales is because sales really cost. You can see 100 naira per lead, or you can see 200 naira. Sales people that use sales are people that are already like high class people, because sales really is easy, but it costs. It's easy for you to get people to your WhatsApp DM, but it's very cost. You understand? Lead is not that easy, but I can make it easy with my own tutorial to make people that they will come to your WhatsApp DM quickly. You understand? But it is not that cost. But sales is more cost. So we will go for what's lead. So lead. Let's continue. Let's continue. Okay. Now I've pressed continue and now I'm here. The first one is tailored lead campaign. The tailored lead campaign is just a campaign that WhatsApp has Facebook has already give you everything you need. They have already helped you set everything. All you have to do is just upload maybe the image you want to use or the video and the write up. Some things, just small things you upload and that is all, you are done. But we are not going for that. We want to set up our everything by ourselves. So we go for manual setup. Then we press continue. So we want to set up everything by ourselves, not that Facebook should help us set up stuff, because Facebook will not do it to our own best interest, maybe to their own best interest. So what we'll be doing in this first page is that we'll be changing the name to whatever you want to change it. So me, I'm changing my own name to training ad setup. Training lead setup. So I'm changing this. So now the reason why you must change the name is that let us say you are running like 5 ads and you want to know which ad is this one. If the name is the same, because Facebook will give you the same name when like the initial name will be the same, and the initial name is the same, you won't know which ad is this, which ad is this, which ad is this. You'll be confused. So in this first page, the only thing you want to do is just change the name. You don't need to do any other thing. Then you see now you say all edits saved. You must let it show this thing before you press next, because that means that if you do not save what you press, it will just back. So you press next. You understand? So now it's loading. I've pressed next, it's loading. So the next page is where we are going now. So here, in this next stage, you can choose to change the name here. Add set name. It's your choice. You can choose to change the name, but not necessarily you change the name. You can just leave it as it is. So then let's I think service is doing somehow. Let's just load finish. So let's just load. The service is doing somehow. So you can choose to change the name, and but the most important one is the first one. You must change the name of the first one in order to recognize the ad you are running. Or maybe you want to differentiate it, like this one is for my own, or this one I'm doing is for someone. You can put the name of the person there or something like that. The service is like this. So I'm going to reload the page. So I think it should work now. I hope you understand what we did in the first place. We just change the name only. We do not do any other thing. We change the name and then we go to the next page, because leave the first page as it is. And make sure you choose manual setting. You want to set everything up by yourself. Don't let Facebook set it up for you. If you are new and you don't know what you are doing, you can say Facebook should set it up for you. So now, what we want to focus on is now this next one: conversion location. What do you want to do? Now, if you have a website like a landing page, you can use website. So you send people to your website, they will click on it on the website and they will come to your DM. The same thing you can use on traffic. If you want to send people to your website, you can use traffic as well. If you know you have a website, you want people to click on it. But I say lead is the best. So if you have a website, you can use website, but we are using instant form because we don't have a website. And we don't want to use messenger because we don't want to send people to our messenger. We want people to come to our WhatsApp, not Messenger. And we don't want to use Instagram as well, and we don't want to use calls. We don't want people to call us. We want people to chat us up. And we don't want to have an app because we don't have an app, and we don't even need an app. We want people to go to WhatsApp, not our app that we create. That is what app is for. So instant form, we are going for instant form. Now, performance goal is that maximize number of lead. We try to show your ads to the people most likely to share their contact information with you. These people, if you are using this first one, people will just share their information with you. They won't click on the link. They will click on the link. Some of them will do, but Facebook will only show you to people who is most likely to just share information with you, not that they will click on the link. I want them to click on the link so that they will come to our WhatsApp DM. So we'll be using the second one because the second one says we try to show your ads to the people most likely to convert after sharing their contact information with you, and that's what we want them to do. So we are clicking on the second one, and then you are leaving this CRM integration. You don't need all this one to set anything up. Then you come to your budget. We are using daily budget. You understand? There is two options there: daily budget or lifetime budget. You don't need lifetime budget. You are using daily budget. So daily budget is the initial one is 3,999 a year. So me, I'm fine by this. If you want to change, you can change it to anything you want: 4,000, 3,000, 8,000, depending on how much you want to spend. Now, start date, you have to schedule. My own schedule, I want it to start now. So it's 4:59 p.m. but the time is 5:03. I don't care about that. As long as I leave at this time, if I leave at 5:03, it will still start immediately I publish my ad. But the best time to start your ad is 4 a.m. in the morning. So you can just change this one to, instead of January 20, you change it to January 21, and then you change this to 4 a.m., not 4:59 p.m. or whatever time it is you are doing your own. You change it to 4 a.m. But me, I'm okay for it to start now. The reason why 4 a.m. is the best time to start your ad, but that is the time that people will be online. They will wake up from sleep and they start pressing their phone, because 4:59 is still like evening. Although some people may be online, but the best time to start your ad is 4 a.m. You understand? But if you want to start it immediately, maybe you are in rush, you can start it. But me, I want to start my own immediately, so I just leave it. I don't care about the time then. So this is what they call ad schedule. You are scheduling your ad. Even if you want the ad to run on January 30, you just do it now and schedule it to January 30, and then you schedule the time you want it to run, which is 4 a.m. Then audience control. You want your audience, the location. You can edit it here. You see, if you press on it, edit. You can edit the location. Maybe you are not going to, you don't want people to see it. Not all people in Nigeria. You can make it to only people in Kwara State. Say Kwara State, Nigeria. You can edit it. All you have to do is just press edit here, and then you see here I say browse. You search the location you want, which is you just press Kwara. Then once you press Kwara State, it will show you. You just press on it, like it will only show the ad to people in Kwara State. Let's assume you are running an ad for somebody that is selling shoe, and the person is only in Kwara. You don't want people in Ilorin in Lagos to see the ad, because how will you get the shoe to Lagos? It's too far. You understand? You understand? So you want people to see in Kwara to see the ad. So just set the location to only people in Kwara State so that they can see the ad. And the other one is minimum age 18. That's the initial one that is there. You can set your own if you want. So now where we are going now is advantage plus placement plus audience. Now you see age is 18 to 65. If you want your age to be 18 to 25, no problem. 25 to 65. Let us know you are doing an ad for someone that is selling land. You understand? You don't want to do ad for you don't want people between 18 to 65 to see it, because people between 18 years old will not have money to buy ad. Abi most people. So you want to put it like maybe 25 to 45, because at that age, those age, they are most likely to look for land, estate, or house or car. You understand all this rich stuff. So that is how you target people. Now, placement. Placement is where you want your ad to be shown. Where do you want people Facebook to show your ad? So if you have your Instagram account connected, you can leave Instagram. But me, I don't have my own, so I'm just off Instagram. This audience network, off it. So now you only leave Facebook. So you want your ad to show on Facebook feed, you remove Facebook Marketplace. Facebook video feeds, leave it. Facebook stories, remove it. Facebook reel, leave it. Facebook in-stream video and ads on Facebook reel, leave it. Search result, leave it. And then you see here, it say all edits saved. Then I press next. So I'm done with this second page. So I'm going to the last and the next page now. So this is the last page. So this is of my ad finally. So now if you check here also it says ad name. You can change this name, it doesn't matter. You can change it or decide not to change it. But the one that matters is the first one, as I say. You must change the first one. So to recognize which ad is it. So now ad setup. Format, single image or video. Do you want to use a single image or video or carousel? Carousel if you are using maybe two image or three video or one video, two image, like you are using double stuff, maybe two image, many image or many video. So this is because when you are using this one, when you are using carousel, it's maybe let us assume you are selling shoes and you want people to see the different type of shoes you have. The first page, the first image is your flyer. Maybe the second one is one shoe. The third one is another brand of shoe. And the fourth one is Adidas. The fifth one is Puma. So you show them the type of shoe you want. So that's just carousel. Then the next one is ad creative. Ad creative is like the video you are using and the place and the ad copy, like the write up. So now this one now you see that they are using my image, my Facebook page image, but I'm not interested in using my Facebook page image. So I'm going to delete that and then I'm going to add another media, which is I will press add video. So I'm using a video, not I want to use a video for my ad. So now these are the video that I have, you understand? So now this is the video I want to use. This is the video I want to use. So then I'll just press next. Now you see you may have this issue that this next is not showing, because that the reason why it's not showing very well is because this thing is supposed to be done on, what is it called, on a laptop. That's why we are putting our phone on desktop mode so that we'll be able to access it like you are using a laptop, but it's not showing very well. It may not show, so you just have to zoom in very well and then press on next. You see it works. You have to press on next and then this one as well, and then this one you press on next. So you don't need to edit anything here, just keep pressing on next. I think I made a mistake. It was when I want to press. I think I made a mistake. Okay, I think it's everything is done. Okay, don't worry, I did not make. So you just have to keep pressing on next until you finish. Then once you are done with that, now your primary text, I believe you should know how to get primary text. So you just press your primary text there and then you can just put, or click the link. Now click the link below and then you just press your WhatsApp link there. So whenever people press it, they will come to your DM and then write a short headline. Just write congratulations. So I say congratulations, sorry. Just write free for the first 100 person. So that is your call to action. Let it be learn more, not sign up. They are not signing up for anything, they're just learning more about whatever you are doing, which is, I believe, is affiliate marketing, you understand? So you want them to learn more about that. So now we are going to create a form. I believe I've already talked about how to create a form, but I will still do that again. So if you check here, this is how our ad will look like. You see, this is how our ad will look like. This is how our ad will look like. You see, free for the first 100 person, ready to break from financial struggle. Okay, so we can just say free for the first 100 person. You put this kind of stuff so that it will point, right here. You see this place. You see that place. It's pointing to learn more. It's pointing to learn more. So now I believe I've already show you how to create a form. I've already show you an additional video on how to but I will still take let me take it again. So let me I've already show you how to create a form. So now all you have to do is just press create form here, you understand? But I've already show you here. So let me just show you the one that I used. So once you press create form, you get to somewhere like this. Form type, more volume. You should choose more volume. Then intro. On the intro, you want to use the image from your ad, but since I'm uploading a video, I don't have an image for my ad, so I will be upload the image. So the image I uploaded is my Facebook page image. This image is because of the background, you understand, for the background. Then the next thing is the greeting, congratulations, which you see here. You will see the congratulation here. You see congratulations. And then the next thing is, are you ready to get started? You see the same thing was there. Are you ready to get started? So now the question you want to ask them. Now you are asking them conditional question. If you I will give you the video about how to do this thing. I've already created a video for instance from separately. So are you ready to join the training? This one is to bring this one. So I believe I've already so description for registration purpose only, and then I've covered this one separately, so I don't need to cover it again. So create form, that's just it. I've already covered this one separately. So now I want to check something. I want to confirm something. Aha. So I believe I've already confirmed this one. This is my link, WhatsApp link. I want to confirm if it is still there. So I've already covered this one. So you can watch the video separately how to create an instant form. So now once we are done now, so we are done with the video with the so we can now publish. Now I've pressed publish now. So it should be published now. So we just have to wait. It will show loading or something. Yeah, you see publishing one of three. If you check the right side, the bottom left right side, aha, look at this. Multiple item published, one campaign, one ad set, and one ad were published. So I've just published it. You see, that is how you set up your ad now. So that is everything about it.